Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Genti Okeo, and this is my daughter, my beautiful Ms Alyssa Grace. Hi everyone.
Hi.
Can I say hi, Alyssa?
Hello.
Say hi to everyone.
Hi.
Hi. We actually just here waiting in the Sam's Club parking lot because my husband and my other daughter went in, and Alyssa had some pain in her legs and feet, and so we decided to stay in and not go in to walk around. So while we're doing that, I thought I would just provide a little bit of background to the video that you're about to see. So this video is about Alyssa and I taking a walk in our neighborhood, and you know, it's really an important one for us because this was actually the very first time since we moved into this neighborhood about 1.5 years ago that Alyssa and I were able to go out and enjoy a nice, peaceful, maybe 15 minutes or so walk in the neighborhood. And the reason why this is so monumental for us is because, so, you know, as you know, Alyssa has a rare genetic condition. It's called Williams syndrome. And because of Williams syndrome, she has, you know, several medical challenges and issues that, you know, we have to deal with. And one of those medical challenges is that she has something called hyperacusis, which is an extreme sensitivity to certain sounds and noises. So it's not sensitivity to everything. It's you know, certain sounds. Some of those are, you know, things like lawnmowers, motorbikes, you know, loud cars, blenders. And so in the past, you know, when we lived in Pennsylvania, for example, you know, we lived in a neighborhood where, you know, houses were pretty close to each other, and on the weekends it would just be everyone out mowing their lawns, and so that actually really traumatized Alyssa, and she couldn't take a walk in the neighborhood. She couldn't step outside, you know, the house when that was happening, and so she kind of has that at the back of her mind. And so for us to go anywhere to take a walk, usually we have to, you know, bring her noise cancellation headphones, and you know, knowing that that, you know, that's something that bothers her, you know, we always take everything into consideration before we step outside the house. We always make sure that we have her noise cancellation headphones. We try and make sure that, you know, we are going to be in areas that you know, don't have a lot of noise and all that. But you know, you can only control so much in a you know, in what's going on in the world around you. So our current neighborhood, you know, we so grateful that for the most part it's actually quiet. In fact, we took all of that into consideration before we moved here, but still, because in Alyssa's mind there are all those noises around, she really hasn't been comfortable going anywhere. You want to turn around, please, and say hi again? Say hi. And so it's taken time, and so I was so you know, pleased when she asked herself, actually, you know, if we could step out, and I asked her if she wanted to bring her headphones, and she said no, she's fine. She just wants to do it and walk a little bit. So we did step out, walked, you know, maybe through half of our neighborhood. It was generally very quiet. We didn't encounter any loud cars. There were no lawn mowers. No one was mowing their lawn. Thank you. And really just enjoyed being out and you know, having some you know, fresh air and getting in our steps. And so and along the way, before I forget, we also ran into this resident cat. There's a cat in the neighborhood. Not really sure who it belongs to, but it just walks around, and whenever it sees people walking, it joins them. And that was the other thing, because again, Alyssa has this fear of cats and dogs. There's a whole story to that, and this time round, you know, the cat came up to us, and you know, Alyssa allowed it to you know, kind of walk up to her, and she didn't pet it yet, but hey, you know, baby steps. And so those were for me 2 wins in one day, which I'm really grateful for, and just really proud of this girl and all her progress. And you know, I can't wait for bigger things to happen. So thank you so much again for tuning in. If you've been following us for a while, thank you so much. If you haven't followed our page, please do so for, you know, more episodes of just joy and kindness and love along the way. And so yeah, take a look. Thank you. You can go up the hill and then come back. Yes. What do you want to say? All right, you can say what you wanted to say. I'm with you. All right. So, all right. Okay, what do you want to say? What do you say? Which side? Okay. Hmm? Hmm? These trees? Beautiful trees. Whoa! Backwards? Very nice. Careful. No, don't go on the road. Just stay over there. No, we can go. We still have some time. You sure? Liz? We're very close. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Yeah? Yeah, we're almost there. Oh, look, it's the resident cat. Look, right here. Oh, it's okay. Just keep going. Just keep going. It just wants to walk with us. Oh, look at that. How cute. Let's just keep going. Aww. It's like bonding. See? Alright, let's keep going. It's not gonna do anything. It's just gonna keep, if you run, it'll think you want to play. All right. Oh. Slow down. Just wants to play with you. I think so. Oh no, it's gonna come out. So you have to be prepared. But let's go up to the hill and then go home, okay? Yeah, if we go back there and it sees us, guess what? It's gonna come out. It just wants to play. That's okay. So you wanna say anything about that cat? Turn around. Okay. Alright, doesn't have to be about the cat. What? You can't say that. Because of the fur? You actually got some on you, so we're gonna have to clean up when we get home. On your pants. On your pant legs? Let me show you. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. I'll take a picture. Yeah, I'll show you when we get home.
Let me see.
Oh, it's a video, so you can't see. Let's see, it's a video, but I'll show you when we get home. We'll have to clean them off. So you can go up the hill or we can go down. You choose. That way is home, or we can go up to that hill and then come back. You wanna go home? get you like 1,000 steps, probably. Those are Sherry's dogs. Alright, Ms Alyssa. How far are you going? What? You left us out here? It's okay, I can get us in. All right.